Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. S channel there, Bubski. She's slicker when wet than maple syrup on a slip and slide, boys. Gonna make a single flashing. It's gonna tie our shakes up the gable, straight into our horizontal siding. Click, clack, pop into both of them, pal. Just like a visit to the grandparents. Anyways, boys, let's do it. There you have her, pal. S channel there, Bubski. Let me show you how this works, boys. You got your vinyl siding there. Well, this 1/2 inch channel, boom. It's gonna TJ hook her right into her slot there, pal. No question, boys. Then you got your shake. You see, larger hook area. Boom. That's gonna hook right on there. Boom. That's how we're gonna transition from the shake over down into the wall. One piece, hooks in, ties it all together. Minimal effort, minimal playing around. Beautiful finish, boys. Carry on.